So this is a 2020 Azimut 66. We're gonna hop on board and let's go check it out.
Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey.
So we're on a 2020 Azimut 66. Let's go on in and check it out. First, we'll introduce you to Bobby, who's the broker here with Dennison.
Hi, how
Thank
are you doing?
Good to see you again.
Thanks for welcome aboard. Thanks for having me.
So, tell us a little bit about this beauty.
So, just as you said, a 2020 Azimut 66, length overall 68.3, 17-foot beam, 5.3 draft. She has 1,300 hours. They just had the 1,000-hour service done on her. The biggest thing about this boat, 4 stateroom layout. So, I mean, great for one, it's you right on the cusp of your owner-operator, and then just a charter machine.
Yeah. Perfect.
It has a lot of great toys, a lot of great options. My favorite option, or my favorite element of the boat, is the fact that no matter where you're sitting, it's all great entertainment spaces everywhere you go.
And that's what I'm all about, so that's perfect.
That's right. It's the entertaining boat.
She's the party girl.
She's party girl. Well, perfect. Well, if you don't mind, we'll take a tour of her and we'll
have fun.
Have fun.
Yep.
So we'll start out here. This is the cockpit, obviously. And we are doing this a little fly-by-night because we just hopped aboard. So, but you've got seating here for at least 8 people, very comfortable. And I love that you also can be you're shaded. You've got some good.
It's nice hard top right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And it's also got great lighting, so you've got that ambient, plus you got speakers. So if you are doing a nice al fresco dinner, this would be perfect for that. You've got tons of storage as well. I think that's key.
Yeah.
You've got a refrigerator here and a little area you can set up some drinks if you wanted to. What do you want to do first? You want to do a flybridge? Oh, I like the ease of coming up these stairs.
Yeah, they're very comfortable.
They're very easy to come aboard. And talk about the dining space. One thing that we've noticed right off the bat is you notice the space down there for dining. You have the same equal space up here. So if you wanted to be out kind of a little more in the sun, you could. You've got beautiful lounge area here. And I even like these accents. The tables have a marble finish.
Yeah, a little marble inlay.
Yeah, it really kind of makes it a very classy scene. You've got room for your paddle boards, so your water toys.
Hanging
You've got
off the
those
side.
on both sides. So it looks like this person might be a windsurfer.
Yep.
Over here you've got your outdoor kitchen, I call it. So you've got a grill, burner, you've got a sink, refrigerator. And
Ice maker or freezer.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, she broke it.
Nope. Let's see what's on this side. Yep, same thing. So refrigerator, freezer. And up here, more easy. And one thing I've noticed is that it looks like all of this upholstery is brand new.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
If not,
actually.
it's been well taken care of.
Wow, it's actually beautiful. One thing you'll notice is you have, again, a very great sight line here. I mean, easy, easy, easy.
I do like, the fact that it is enclosed. And I'm sure you probably have an option if you really wanted to enclose the back. I don't know.
And notice that this also pulls back.
Yes.
So if you wanted to open up your bimini top, I don't just really call it, it's more of a slider. You'll also notice here, you can sit here, but this is also a table.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So if you wanted to have a little cocktail party here, and again, they've gone with that same marble top. So I love the way they've kind of designed
this. You probably throw that
this.
cushion right over there, out of the way.
Yeah.
But it's a Ray Marine electronics cluster. Looks like we have bow and stern thrusters, joystick control for docking.
It comes with twin Cat C18 engines.
And it just went through its 1,000-hour checkup.
This is, and even the isinglass is in mint condition. This is, the wood is fantastic.
Watch that step.
Okay, well, let's go check out the bow, and then from there we'll go check out the salon. You'll also notice here that we do have a pilot door here, so I guess we could call it a pilot house, but you do have a pilot door access. Look at the size of this windshield.
I know.
And these windshield wipers. So weather's going to be kind of sketchy tomorrow, so they might actually need these. This is a pretty cool setup. You've got seating again for another 8, 9 people.
Yeah, again, you'll notice the theme in this boat. All the seating areas are equal.
Yeah.
So that you have enough room for everybody everywhere.
The other thing you'll notice this bracket?
Yep.
This comes up over and you've got a bimini top
Yep.
for those lounging out here. Then over here behind you, look at the size of this pad. This is huge.
Yep.
You've got your electric windlass and again your foot controls here with your anchor lockers here. Anchor chain lockers here. So beautiful entertainment space. I mean, this is definitely the boat for Miami.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful boat to cruise the ICW, maybe go a little offshore, close to shore, or go all the way over to Bimini in the Bahamas.
Yeah, it'd be great for that.
Be perfect for a day trip over there.
Okay, let's go check out the salon. Okay, so we're gonna step right inside here and we have got, let's step up here. I'll have Scott kind of pan around, but again, great entertainment space. You can sit around, you've got your bar area here, stereo, large pop-up TV. I love the galley. So you know me, I'm all about entertaining and being with the guests. And here, I've got probably just as much space as I do in our current apartment.
I think we have more space here. Yeah.
So you got a full-size refrigerator, freezer, lots of storage, 4-burner oven, more storage. This boat is owned, so I'm always respectful about not opening other people's cabinets. And that's something to remember. When you are at a boat show, most of the time, if it's not brand new, it's someone's boat, so if you don't have to open it, don't open it. We were at a show once and the guy goes, "Why'd you open the fridge? It's just a fridge." We get it.
Yep. And you got a wine cooler right behind you.
Yep, we got a wine cooler right here. And again, as Scott mentioned, you'll notice that if all of a sudden the weather were to go bad and you had to bring dining inside, you still have room for those same 8 people that you had out there and upstairs. So that's pretty slick.
Yeah.
Forward, we have a really great helm station, including a rear camera here. You've got dual Raymarine electronics. This does come with a seakeeper. You've got bow and stern thrusters as well. Full electronics package. And what is nice about these seats is they do have pedestals, I guess I'd call them, so that you are sitting upright. So these are meant to slide back and forth. Most of us short people would actually sit up here so that you can easily see over the bow.
Right. And most often, unless it's inclement weather, you're going to be driving from
upstairs.
above. I like that it does have a couple bar stools
It has
as
a
well.
couple bar stools, and check out the lighting
Yeah.
features. They've really taken the steps to make all of these really unique, special touches unique and fantastic. I love that. This would be a great liveaboard.
Oh yeah. Very comfortable.
Might just be out of our price point, but
just a bit.
let's go down and check
Unless
out.
we get more subscribers and more viewers.
Oh, that's right. Then we might be able to buy it.
Maybe we should start a GoFundMe.
Let's go down and check out the staterooms. I like that there aren't too many stairs to go down. Sometimes you end up doing those steep, curved, turned.
Yeah, I like that they're straight.
They're straight
They're
down.
not-
Looks like we've got twin bunks right off the bat. Definitely probably for kiddos, you know, or a very skinny person, not me.
Yeah, this is a unique feature because it is a 4-stateroom setup.
So it'd be perfect for
rather than 3.
charter.
Yeah.
Here again, you've got twin bunks, a little more comfortable. Again, lots of storage, and then it looks like this accesses to a
The day
head.
Yep.
That would be the day head, yep.
It's quite the nice day head. I mean, look at the shower.
So that,
And we have the
But-
single vanity.
you'll notice both twins would be sharing this one.
Yes.
Then the VIP berth has their own ensuite, very large shower. And I would say, so you know how I am about island berths. This one I could get into because I can easily hop in, lay down.
And you're short enough not to hit your head.
Well, just about. So I do like that. You've got 2 very long, tall hanging lockers. And again, more storage here
TV.
and more storage under the bed. Let's go see what the primary looks like. Again, I like that it's not too skinny. Nice walk around. Again, this is probably a king size bed, I'm gonna guess.
Pretty close, I think so.
And
yeah.
you've got good headroom. You have plenty of space between you. You've got, again, all this storage, plus more storage, pop-up TV, more storage. I'm gonna guess this mirror here is also storage. You've got reading lights on both sides, and they've also got outlets, which is fantastic, so you can do your charging. Here in the head, you've got an electric toilet. Nice lighting here, which
It's
is
really a throne you have to step up to.
And, well, yeah, it is interesting. It probably helps with the plumbing. And then a fairly large shower that I'll let you check out.
Well, it's also the shape of the boat, so
Yeah.
you have to, it's on the hull side. And then the shower, okay, very nice shower. Large shower head, hand wand, nice little seating area as well.
Well, thank you again for the quick tour. I know we were in
You're
and out.
welcome.
She is a beautiful boat.
Beautiful.
She is.
Yes.
I mean, maybe if we get a few more subscribers, we can buy her.
Let's do it.
I mean,
I'd love to tell you about.
We moved down here to buy a liveaboard, so
That's
come
right.
on.
This is the perfect one.
Actually, it really is. I love to entertain. I
Yeah.
love to cook. It's all set up perfectly.
Ready to go.
Okay. Well, thanks, Bobby.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So we know that was a quick tour, and we hope you enjoyed it. We'll put all the information down below if you want more information on this yacht. Again, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Leave your comments down below, and more importantly, ring the little notification bell and give us the likes, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks again.